Fifth grade Social Studies Chapter 2 Motions of the Earth. The Earth's axis. All of us are aware of how a globe looks. You must have seen the Earth is tilted at an angle in the globe. There is an imaginary line that passes through the globe, tilting it. This is the Earth's axis. The Earth's axis runs through its center on which the Earth spins. It is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. It runs from the North Pole to the South Pole. Rotation. The Earth continuously spins on its axis like a top. This is called rotation. The Earth takes approximately 24 hours to complete one rotation. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. As the Earth rotates, the half facing the Sun has day and the other half, which is in darkness, has night. It rotates from west to east. We see the sun appear to rise and move across the sky every day, but it does not look really move. It only seems to move. The earth is spinning round and round, and we are moving around with the earth. The places in the east get sunlight before the places in the west. Thus, Japan, which is in the extreme east, gets daylight first and is called the land of the rising sun. It's fun. Let us do an activity to understand this. Take a plastic ball or any round object. Push a pencil at an angle through it. Hold the pencil and spin the plastic ball. This is how the earth spins around its own axis. Can you tell what the pencil represents? Revolution. All the planets revolve or move around the sun. Each planet has its own path called an orbit. The earth also moves in its own orbit around the sun. This movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. The earth takes 1 year or 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. But a year has only 365 days. The extra 6 hours are added up for 4 years and they become an extra day. Thus, every 4 years, February has 29 days instead of 28 and is called a leap year. Fun fact: every planet has a different duration of revolution. Change of seasons. The most important effect of revolution is the change of seasons: summer, autumn, winter, and spring. As the earth revolves around the sun, many parts of the earth experience changing seasons. Look at the diagram given. The earth's axis always tilts in the same direction. The hemisphere tilts towards the sun experiences summer, while the hemisphere tilted away from the sun experiences winter. June, position A. The northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. Hence, it experiences summer. The southern hemisphere experiences winter. The rays of the sun fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer, so the days are longer and the nights are shorter in the northern hemisphere. The sun shines on the North Pole continuously for 6 months for all 24 hours. This is called the polar day or the midnight sun. At the South Pole, the sun is not visible for 6 months. This is called the polar night. December, position C. The southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, so it experiences summer, and the northern hemisphere will have winter. That is why the month of December is cold in India and hot in Australia. The rays of the sun fall directly on the Tropic of Capricorn, so the days are longer and the nights are shorter in the southern hemisphere. The sun shines on the South Pole continuously for 6 months for all 24 hours, so it experiences the polar day or the midnight sun. The North Pole experiences the polar nights. September, position B, and March, position D. During this time, the sun rays fall equally on both the hemispheres. The length of the day and night are equal in both the hemispheres. In September, the northern hemisphere has autumn while the southern hemisphere has spring. In March, the northern hemisphere has spring while the southern hemisphere has autumn. Differences between rotation and revolution. Rotation. It is the movement of the earth on its axis. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Rotation causes day and night. Revolution. It is the moment of the earth around the sun. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. Revolution causes changes of seasons. We know the earth axis is an imaginary line running through its center on which the earth spins. The earth is continuously moving. It rotates around its axis, causing day and night. It revolves around the sun. One revolution takes 365 days and 6 hours. The most important effect of revolution is change of seasons. The earth axis always tilts in the same direction. The hemisphere tilted towards the sun experiences summer, while the hemisphere tilted away from the sun experiences winter. Thank you.